Hello guys, my name is Christian J. Galong for the Unified Functional Testing tutorial for the UFT Module 17 exercise using a recovery scenario. There are 4 tasks. Record a test and deliberately manipulate it so that an error is generated. Second task, manipulate the test so that the test execution returns an error. Task 3, create and add a recovery scenario to the test and run the test. For the task 4, run the test and view the results. For task 1, recording a test and deliberately manipulating it so that an error is generated. First is Start HP Unified Functional Test. Click Continue. No need for any add-in, so click Continue. Click File, New, Test. Change the name to Recovery Scenario. Click Create. As soon as it's done, open the Flight UI and log in. So, after logging in, the flight reservation window will open. So go back to UFT, click Record, click OK, Record and Run Settings is popped up, click OK. Put date after today, so I'm gonna put November 16, 2015. Put fly from, put fly to, click the button flights and click OK button to make the default selection. Enter the remaining fields in the flight reservation window. I'm gonna put tickets into 10 volume. And class is first, insert order. Click the new insert new order button and stop the recording. For the task 2, manipulating the test so that the test execution returns an error. From the keyword view, click View, Keyword View. We need to parameterize the fly from, fly to, and the tickets. So we need to click the value column of fly from, click Ctrl F11, click Parameter, the value configuration options. So here it is. Change the name field into fly underscore from, click OK, and then repeat the steps. Ctrl F11, press the parameter, change the name field into fly to, click OK, repeat again, Ctrl F11, click parameter, change the name field into tickets, and then click the OK button. And after that, make changes into data table entries, like this. Change the value of tickets. Save the test and run it. The test generates an error because more than 10 tickets cannot be booked while in the first iteration. The test tries to book 15 tickets, which returns an error as shown in the following screen. Click the Stop or OK button in the Run Error dialog box and close the HP Run Results Viewer. For Task 3, creating and adding a recovery scenario to the test. So click the Resource, Recovery Scenario Manager, and then click the New Scenario. The Recovery Scenario Wizard opens. Click Next. In the Select Trigger event, click the pop-up window radio button. Here it is. And then click Next. In the Specify pop-up window conditions, click the pointing hand icon. Your cursor changes to a pointing hand, like this. Click on the Flight Reservation pop-up. Click the Next button. Click the Next button again. Select the Operation Type keyboard on Mouse Protection. Click Next. Select the Click button with label and click the Pointing Hand button. Your cursor change a pointing hand and click the OK button in the Flight Reservations pop-up. OK. Click the Next button. Uncheck the Add Another Recovery operation. Click the Next button again. Select Proceed to Next Action or Component Iteration. Click Next. In the Scenario Name field, type Extra Tickets. Click Next. Check the Add Scenario to Current Test and click the Finish button. After that, click the Close button. Do you want to save the changes? Click Yes. And then save the file with the name Extra Tickets. Recovery Scenarios. The file is saved in the .qrs extension. Click Save the Test. Go to the Flight Reservation window and click the OK button. Click the New Order. There will be a pop-up. The information has changed. Save changes. Click No. And then the task 4 is running the test and viewing the results. Click the Run button to run the test. There is an error, but wait for it, don't click anything. In the HP Result Viewer, expand the first iteration. And observe where the recovery scenario is called. Here it is. And then close the HP Run Result Viewer and HP UFT. And then close the Flight Reservation. That's all, and thank you.